Think October's chill means your garden dreams are over? Think again. You're about to unlock a winter wonderland of fresh, homegrown veggies that could save you hundreds in grocery bills. Imagine biting into crisp, nutrient-packed greens while snow blankets the ground outside, all because you planted smart right now. Today, we're diving into 18 must-plant October veggies that thrive through winter, perfect for beginners, seniors, and even urban balcony gardeners. These aren't just any crops, they're your ticket to endless harvests, supercharging your health and wallet. Stick around till the end for my secret bonus tip on turning your plot into a frost-proof fortress. You'll regret skipping this if you're serious about winter survival gardening. Let's get those hands dirty. After years of tending gardens, from tiny apartment patios to sprawling backyards, I've learned that October is prime time for planting winter warriors. These veggies aren't fussy. They're low-maintenance heroes that reward you with fresh produce when store prices skyrocket. For beginners and seniors, the benefits are huge. You'll save money, with some crops yielding enough to slash your veggie bill by 50% or more. Health-wise, they're packed with vitamins to boost immunity during cold months. Think vitamin C from kale fighting off flu, or fiber from beets aiding digestion. Plus, gardening itself is therapeutic, reducing stress and keeping you active without heavy lifting. Urban folks, rejoice! Many grow in pots or raised beds, needing just a sunny spot. No more regretting bare winter shelves. These easy gardening tips will have you harvesting through spring. I've seen seniors harvest armfuls with minimal effort, and beginners turn tiny spaces into bountiful oases. Ready to transform your garden? Now, let's jump into the list. These 18 crops are selected for USDA zones 5 through 11, focusing on cold-hardy varieties that plant easily in October for winter survival. Each one offers dual benefits, edible and often ornamental, adding beauty to your space. I'll share practical, step-by-step tips to make it foolproof. Number 1. Kale, the frost-defying superfood you'll crave all winter. Kale is that curly-leafed powerhouse, often deep green or purple, hailing from ancient Mediterranean roots where it survived harsh winters. Scientifically, it's Brassica oleracea, loaded with antioxidants. Benefits? Massive yields. One plant can give you pounds of leaves, saving you $5 to $10 per bunch compared to stores. Nutritionally, it's a dream. High in vitamins A, C, and K for immune support, plus calcium for bone health, ideal for seniors. Risks are minimal. It's not invasive, but watch for aphids. For planting, sow seeds ½ an inch deep, 12 inches apart, in well-drained, fertile soil. It thrives outdoors, but pots work for urban setups. Care. Water moderately, once a week. Recommend winter-bore variety for cold tolerance. Pro tip. Seasoned gardeners mulch with straw to retain moisture and protect roots. Harvest outer leaves for continuous growth. In zones 5 to 11, it'll overwinter beautifully, giving harvests from November through April. Don't regret ignoring this easy gardening tip. It's beginner-friendly and low maintenance. Number 2. Spinach, the quick-growing leafy green that beats winter blues. Spinach, with its smooth, dark green leaves, traces back to Persian origins and is scientifically Spinacia oleracea. It's a fast grower, ready in 30 to 40 days. Benefits include iron-rich nutrition for energy, helping seniors stay vibrant, and cost savings. Grow your own to avoid $3 bags wilting in the fridge. It's not toxic, but overwatering risks rot. Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep, 6 inches apart in loose, nitrogen-rich soil, perfect for indoors near windows if space is limited. Care. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Try Bloomsdale for bolt resistance. Insider trick, plant in succession every 2 weeks for endless supply. In USDA 5 to 11, it handles light frosts, yielding through winter. Visual, picture lush rows in your raised bed, harvesting handfuls weekly. This perennial crop vibe, though annual, makes it a must for urban gardeners. Number 3. Garlic, the underground bulb that wards off colds and costs. Garlic's pungent cloves, from Allium sativum, have been used medicinally since Egyptian times for antimicrobial properties. Plant in October for summer harvest. Benefits: each bulb multiplies to 10 cloves, saving you dollars on store garlic at $2 per head. Health perks include allicin boosting heart health. Minimal risks, not invasive if contained. Plant cloves 2 inches deep, pointy end up, 4 inches apart in sunny, well-drained soil. Zones 5 to 11 suit hardneck varieties like German red. Care: water sparingly, mulch heavily for weed control. Pro tip: experienced folks plant with companions like roses for pest repulsion. Harvest in 6 to 9 months. You'll regret skipping this for its dual edible and medicinal punch. Number 4. Broccoli, the crown jewel of winter veggies for nutrient power. Broccoli, Brassica oleracea var italica, features tight green heads on sturdy stalks evolved from wild cabbage. It's a cool season champ. Benefits: high yields. One plant gives multiple side shoots after main head, cutting store costs from $4 per bunch. Rich in sulforaphane for cancer prevention. Risks: cabbage worms, but easy to net. Plant seedlings 2 inches deep, 18 inches apart in fertile soil. Recommend calabrese for beginners. Care: water deeply, weekly, fertilize with compost. Trick: cut main head to encourage sides, extends harvest to 3 months. Zones 5 to 11, plant now for November picks. Ideal for seniors with its upright growth, no bending needed. Number 5. Cauliflower, the versatile white wonder that transforms meals. Cauliflower, another Brassica oleracea variant, boasts creamy curds historically prized in Roman cuisine. Benefits: low calorie, high fiber for weight management. Saving on pricey store heads at $5 each. Nutrition includes choline for brain health. Low risks, but blanch leaves to prevent sun scorch. Plant seeds half-inch deep, 24 inches apart in rich, neutral soil. Snowball variety is senior-friendly. Care: consistent moisture, tie leaves over heads. Pro tip: roast homegrown for unbeatable flavor. Harvest in 60 to 80 days. In zones 5 to 11, it's a winter survival staple, great for small spaces. Number 6. Carrots, the root veggie that sweetens with frost. Carrots, Daucus carota, are tapered orange roots or purple varieties domesticated from Afghan wild types. Cold improves sweetness via sugar conversion. Benefits: store-bought at $2 per pound, but homegrown yields tenfold. Beta-carotene for eye health. Risks: carrot fly, foil with barriers. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep, 2 inches apart in loose sandy soil. Pots for urban. Nance for short roots. Care: thin seedlings, water evenly. Insider, mulch to prevent greening. Harvest in 90 days, zones 5 to 11. You'll regret not planting for that fresh crunch. Number 7. Beets, the dual-purpose gem for roots and greens. Beets, Beta vulgaris, offer earthy red roots and edible tops from ancient Assyrian gardens. Benefits: double harvest saves money. Roots at $3 per bunch, greens free bonus. Folate for heart health. Not invasive. Plant seeds 1 inch deep, 4 inches apart in fertile soil. Detroit dark red is reliable. Care: thin to avoid crowding, moderate water. Trick: harvest young for tender greens. 60 days to maturity, overwinters in zones 5 to 11. Perfect low maintenance for beginners. Number 8. Radishes, the speedy crunch that kickstarts your garden. Radishes, Raphanus sativus, are spicy globes, quick from Asian origins. Benefits: ready in 25 days. Cheap thrill for impatience, under $1 store equivalent. Detoxifying compounds, low risks. Sow half-inch deep, 1 inch apart anywhere sunny. Cherry bell for mildness. Care: water frequently, pull promptly. Pro tip: interplant with slower crops. Zones 5 to 11, multiple sowings for winter. Easy for seniors. If this is sparking your green thumb, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gardening tips. Your support keeps these videos growing.
Number 9. Lettuce, the salad base that keeps on giving. Lettuce, Lactuca sativa, forms loose heads or leaves, Roman staple for freshness. Benefits: cut and come again saves on $4 bags. Vitamins for skin health. No toxicity. Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep, 8 inches apart in moist soil, indoors for urban. Butterhead varieties. Care: shade and heat, harvest outer leaves. Trick: succession planting every 10 days. 40 days to first pick, zones 5 to 11. Regret ignoring this ornamental edible. Number 10. Onions, the flavor foundation for endless meals. Onions, Allium cepa, bulb layers from Central Asia. Benefits: long storage, saving $2 per pound. Quercetin for inflammation. Plant sets 1 inch deep, 3 inches apart. Yellow sweet Spanish. Care: full sun, dry off for storage. Pro tip: braid for hanging. Harvest in 100 days, overwinters well. Number 11. Leeks, the mild onion cousin that endures winter's bite. Leeks, Allium ampuloprasum, resemble oversized green onions with flat leaves, originating from the Mediterranean and cherished in Welsh cuisine. They're hardy perennials in mild zones. Benefits: harvest 1 per plant, but they multiply, saving on store prices around $3 each. Rich in kaempferol for anti-inflammatory effects, great for senior health. Low risks, though they can bolt in heat. Plant seedlings 4 inches deep to blanch stems 6 inches apart in deep, fertile soil. Trenches work wonders for urban gardeners. Zones 5 to 11, American flag variety recommended for robustness. Care: hill soil around stems for whiteness, water consistently. Pro tip: seasoned gardeners overwinter them under cloches for early spring pulls. Ready in 120 days, but leaves edible sooner. This low-maintenance crop doubles as ornamental with its tall stalks. Don't regret skipping it for flavor-packed soups. Number 12. Brussels sprouts, the mini cabbage orbs that sweeten in frost. Brussels sprouts, Brassica oleracea var gemifera, grow as buds on tall stalks, developed in Belgium centuries ago. Cold enhances flavor by converting starches to sugars. Benefits: 1 plant yields up to 2 pounds, outpacing store costs at $4 per pint. High in glucosinolates for detox support. Risks include aphids, net if needed. Plant transplants 18 inches apart, 2 inches deep in firm soil. Long Island improved for beginners. Care: stake tall plants, moderate watering. Insider trick: remove lower leaves to boost bud growth. Harvest from bottom up over months. In zones 5 to 11, plant October for December to March picks. Seniors love the upright harvest, no digging required. A must for winter survival gardening. Number 13. Cabbage, the hardy head that stores like a dream. Cabbage, Brassica oleracea var capitata, forms dense heads in green or red, a staple since Roman times for fermentation science. Benefits: massive heads up to 5 pounds each, slashing $6 store prices. Vitamin U for gut healing. Not invasive. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, 24 inches apart in cool, moist soil. Pots for small spaces. Golden acre is quick maturing. Care: fertilize lightly. Watch for slugs. Pro tip: wrap heads in frost cloth for extended life. 60 to 90 days to maturity, stores months in cool spots. Zones 5 to 11 make it ideal for endless coleslaw. You'll crave this easy gardening tip for its dual edible and ornamental appeal. Number 14. Turnips, the fast root that doubles as greens. Turnips, Brassica rapa, offer bulbous roots and tangy tops from ancient Eurasian farms. Quick and versatile. Benefits: dual harvest saves money. Roots at $2 per bunch, greens bonus. Potassium for blood pressure control, low toxicity. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep, 3 inches apart in loose soil. Purple top for mild flavor. Care: thin early, water evenly to prevent woodiness. Trick:
Harvest small for sweetness, around 50 days. Overwinters in zones 5 to 11, great for urban balconies. Low maintenance dream for beginners avoiding winter regrets. Number 15, parsnips, the sweet root that improves with cold. Parsnips, Pastinalca sativa, are creamy tapered roots, wild European natives tamed for sweetness post-frost. Benefits: dig in spring for peak flavor, yielding pounds per row versus $3 store bags. Inulin for gut health. Risks: foliage irritant, wear gloves. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep, 4 inches apart in deep, stone-free soil. Hollow crown variety. Care: slow germination, keep moist, mulch thickly. Pro tip: leave in ground over winter. Frost converts starches. 100 days plus, zones 5 to 11. Ornamental foliage adds beauty. Seniors appreciate the weight and harvest ease. Number 16, Swiss chard, the colorful leaf that outlasts spinach. Swiss chard, Beta vulgaris subspecies Cycla, boasts vibrant stems and broad leaves. Mediterranean origins with beet relatives. Benefits: continuous cut and come again, saving on pricey greens at $4 per bundle. Beta-carotene for vision, not invasive. Plant seeds 1 inch deep, 12 inches apart in rich soil, indoors viable. Bright lights for ornamental pops. Care: harvest outer stalks, fertilize monthly. Insider, tolerates partial shade, perfect urban. 40 days to first cut, persists through winter in zones 5 to 11. Regret ignoring this superfood for its low-effort yields. If you're loving these winter survival secrets, smash that subscribe button and drop a like. Let's grow together with more perennial crop ideas. Number 17, collard greens, the southern staple that thrives in chill. Collard greens, Brassica oleracea var. Acephala, are large, smooth leaves, African-American cuisine icons with ancient roots. Tough against frost. Benefits: abundant leaves per plant, cheaper than $3 bunches. Folate and calcium powerhouse. Low risks. Sow 1/2 inch deep, 18 inches apart in fertile ground. Georgia Southern for heat and cold tolerance. Care: water deeply, pick regularly. Pro tip: braise for tenderness. Harvest year-round in mild zones. 60 days initial, overwinters zones 5 to 11. Beginner-friendly for senior gardeners seeking health boosts. Number 18, mustard greens, the peppery punch for quick winter zest. Mustard greens, Brassica juncea, curly or flat spicy leaves, Asian origins for speedy growth. Benefits: ready fast, undercutting store prices at $2 per bag. Glucosinolates for cancer prevention. Can self-seed if not managed. Plant 1/4 inch deep, 6 inches apart in cool soil. Southern giant curled for flavor. Care: succession sow, moderate water. Trick: mix varieties for mild to hot. 30 days to harvest, zones 5 to 11. Dual benefits as mosquito repellent plants when flowering. Don't skip this for endless harvests. And shoots during unexpected snaps, and they're affordable at around $20 online. This easy gardening trick ensures you won't regret ignoring these crops, yielding perennial-like benefits even from annuals. Happy gardening, friends! Dive in, get those seeds in the ground, and watch your winter transform. If you've enjoyed these tips, like this video. Subscribe for more on perennial crops, mosquito repellent plants, and beginner hacks. Share your October planting experiences or favorite winter veggie in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're unlocking your endless harvests.